know what I'm saying? I want to hear what's going on.
No.
You know, in case there's a bomb about to blow somewhere, I mean it. That's how I'm always nosy like that, because I'm like, oh, what you saying? Can
What's blowing up?
fill me in. So guys, you cut from the left side, right? You don't cut from the right side. You cut from the left side here, and then you leave it hanging by a little bit on the right ventricle. Okay. So I'm just gonna do my best to cut in the middle, and if I plump it up a little bit, yeah, please, because I might not want to cut myself. So when you do it, also remember, guys.
You might not want to.
No, I kind of love
Look
my
at that inside. It's beautiful.
So yeah, my good friend here is gonna be the heart section. So I hope I don't cut through my thingy, my moderator band.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that nice? These are the freshest heart I've gotten so far. I don't think I've ever gotten hearts that are as fresh as this. It's fresh as so fresh. That was an old song you guys probably don't know, but except some.
These costed money.
They did?
What's that?
Yeah.
These were not.
What's that?
Where'd you guys get them from?
From Carolina.
This one's just Carolina. Yeah.
From
Where we
like
get
north or
everything else
south?
from.
You guys get everything from there?
Most of
Okay.
them.
So pretty. That's cool.
I kind of don't want to cut through my pulmonary trunk here.
That's so pretty.
These ones are the freshest ones I've seen so far.
Yeah.
Okay, my good friends.
It's
So what
'cause
you could do?
expedited them.
Yeah, expedited them. So they just, infused them and so forth. They preserved them. They sent it to us.
Yeah.
They're the freshest I've seen so far, and I'm not even kidding. Okay, my good friend, I got lucky again. This is a bundle of muscle that we call the moderator band, right? Do you see how thick this moderator band is? It really helps to prevent overfilling of the right side. Okay, especially that you need to, not to have too much. Yeah, Codetendin is another nice one. This is kind of not so. So do you see, my good friends? Oh, look at this, some of the blood. You can see all the trabecular canals. So this is the interventricular septum. Okay, right between the two. Okay, remember, like I said, our valves are kind of on the same plane like this, held together by the fibrous skeleton. Okay, all right. So this would be my good friend's Jose's chordae tendini. Okay, and then you see these little pimply-like muscles. Okay, those will be the papillary muscles, and then they tug on this. So what valve is this? First of all, what kind of valve is it?
Well, where is it located?
So right here. This is where it's located.
That's the right.
Left or right?
That's
What do
right.
you, what do you,
That's left.
Oh,
it's
that's left.
Look how big
Flip.
it is.
So
And
that-
look how
yeah.
small.
That'll be a
Okay,
bike.
when you're in the exam, you know what you're gonna do to yourself? Tell us. All right, good,
That
my
would be a
friend.
bike, you said?
You know, so okay, so you always know that the big side, the very big V part is the left side, and the smaller side is the right. Okay, so just put it in your head and just don't forget it. Okay, so a pin, anything on this side, see these flaps would be the mitral valve or the bicuspid, because it's on the left side. Okay, and then this is going into the. You see where it's coming from? It's coming from the left, so this will be the aortic semilunar valve. Okay, because this is the aorta, right? Okay, cool. You see, it's coming out of the
That's
trunk.
this one was.
No. I'm just saying. Remember, I said this is the first. See that? Just look where. If it's coming from the big side, it's the left. If it's from the small side, like if I put a pin here, then you would say, which valve is this? What would you say?
Tricuspid.
Tricuspid, because it's on the right side. Look at it. It's on the right side. Okay? You see the tricuspid has got more cusps. See, there's more cusps. And then, of course, chordae tendini. And then this string-like structure, if I put a pin through there, you say moderator band. Moderator band. It moderates the filling of the right ventricle. Okay? All right. Excellent. Again, if I say what, valve is this, what would you say? This one. It's a trick question. This is still the semilunar valve, aortic segment. It's part of this. It's on the same. So I kind of try to see if you're still switched on. Okay, but you still are. But anyway, I'm just trying to tell you it could be on both sides. You just have to look at which side it's coming from. That's all. Okay. All right. And then of course, like I said, the pulmonary trunk I could cut it here, but I don't want to cause too much confusion with the heart, but I could do that. I could cut through here, and you can see the pulmonary semilunar valve. Okay, I could do that. You see, it's one of those deals, which is the pulmonary arteries, left or right. I don't know which it is, but I know that it's one of the two. Okay, my good friends. And you don't use the knife this time. Do you see what I'm saying? You use the
Blunt scissors.
that's good. The blunt end scissors, which is good. Blunt scissors. You know, there is our little pulmonary semilunar valve, right? Oh, this one. You see the cusps? Do you see them, my good friends? Excellent.
Parachutes.
Yeah, those parachutes. Those things are the parachutes. So the semilunar valves create the second or the first heart sound? Second, because after the ventricles contract, the electric semilunar valves, they will be opening up due to the pressure of the ventricles, pushing blood through them. Okay, but the ones that close are the atrioventricular valve. So when the ventricles relax, that's why this creates the second heart sound. It works. To come back. Okay, so we saw that, and we did all this, and we've got the interventricular septum, and this is the right side moderator band, caudate and the papillary muscles, trabeculicani. Okay, and you see the endocardium? Do you see it? The endocardium? Do you see it? Here it's even more. You see how smooth it is? Look at it. Where it's nice. Yes, and epicardium is the visceral layer of the serous pericardium, right?
Something like that.
Something like that. Yeah. And then of course on the